It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Bafana through to the last 32 of the FIFA World Cup 2026. For the first time in history, for the first time ever, Coach Hugo Bros was starter nogo wasibeka ezimbalini. Wathi nogo beningasukanga ngapha eBelgium ndizofundisa amantshontsho ukubhabha apha. Benizokwenza umsebenzi wenzeke. Bafana sometimes behla ngoyibukela iAfcon on TV. Sithi no ilizwe lamna ndisupporta mhlambi iUganda or Tanzania, but now each and every edition yeAfcon ever since uMadala efikile we've been there, and now since efikile World Cup we are there, and for the first time siku knockout stages. Mhlobam, we are so happy, mhlobam.
Morning, mwanami.
Eish. Good morning mhlobam. Ndiyaqala uspenda isikhathi esingaka nawe mhlobam. Yo.
Yeah.
From bengonosingapi izolo? Bengonosingapi?
Izolo Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Namhlanje Thursday. Sidla ngodibana Wednesday night 7:30.
Yeah.
Go 10 o'clock we are done. But now sidibene ngabo 10. Now it's around 5 to 6. Mhlobam, we are through to the last 32.
Yeah.
The FIFA World Cup. How are you feeling?
No, ngishapha ngonami.
Yeah.
Ithi ngibulisa amadoda le studio Shane.
Yeah.
Yeah man, well done to bafana Shane. We are happy see country Shane. Ngicabanga ukuthi amajita asebenzile man. Yeah, no, amajita they work very hard Shane. Ukuze ukuthi sithole le 4 point akuzange kube lula. I told someone ukuthi bathi why uma equalizer kule game then to celebrate ngathi siwinile. Sathi no, wait until last game.
Yes.
Uzobona ukuthi
Why
game
we celebrate?
bebalekile le goal ukuthi equalize. So ngicabanga ukuthi Coach Hugo Bros kumele simnikeze ama flowers wakhe Shane. Kuningi la simcriticize khona, vele kwamele simcriticize masibona ngathi kukhona lokunathi singakuboni kahle, but at the end of the day yena is a head coach, he understand ukuthi yini into afuna ukuyenza. But ngicabanga ukuthi Shane, for me uma ngingabheka the way ibafana idlale ngakhona today, Shane baperforme kahle amajita.
Yeah.
Angifuni ukutshela amanga le performance abasinikeze yona konke ama department ngicabanga ukuthi amajita adlale kahle kakhulu. Bheka le defense Shane, I'm happy ngale defense bafana the way ba understand ngakhona. Ngibone the way nangendlela sidefende ngakhona under pressure. Yila ngibone khona ukuthi no, if sikwazi ukuwila amabhola aerial, sikwazi ukucontesta, sikwazi ukuvala la uma space Shane. Khulisa umdawu uOcon oPrimodiba TLB beba clear yonke into Shane. It shows ukuthi amajita they understood ukuthi yini ekumele siyenze, and what I like about bafana rectify ama mistake ngicabanga ukuthi siye sawenza previous matches Shane. Uma ungabheka uRonza today kube less ukudlala kwakhe amabhola ku D-line.
Yeah.
Sikwazile ukwadlala but most of the time beka keep amabhola. Why? Because of sinama winger today, sine striker, sine number 10. Obvious must keep ama second ball sizozama ukucontest. So injabulise kakhulu mangibona wa keeper wide lamabhola, because besizowenza lawo ma mistake, because amajita buya press. Ngibonela amajita lo buya press ngakhona bebafuna siwayenze lawo ma mistake, but give credit kuleya team Shane. Bheka uyaya Sithole performance yakhe today ngicabanga ukuthi ukwazile nokureceive lapha, and la beka receiver khona today ureceiver la bekumele vele a receive khona awenze lawo ma one touch, because there's no need ukuthi ungafuna ukuthena. Kunala ungacabanga ukuthi uyaya bekadlala ama back pass, but bheka ukuthi uyaya ugood yini ngama forward pass, ugood ngokuthena na. Asibheke istrength sakhe ukuthi sikuphi. The more ashala ama back pass, I think ngiyamblame because ngiyazi ukuthi mangathena akekho good ukudlala ama forward pass, bazo interceptor babuye bazosbreaka. So for yena ngicabanga ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu today Shane. After uyaya athole le red card, ngicabanga ukuthi performance yakhe today was top notch. Bheka the way Shane uyaya beka dlala ngakhona even second half kuna maningi ama jewels awawinile uyaya. So give credit kula badlali bebafana ngicabanga ukuthi we played very well Shane. Sikwazile ukuthi sisebenze ngaphezulu, the likes of uMaseko kulela side. Yes, uMaseko umiste ama chances Shane la ngicabanga ukuthi first half bekumele ngabe mhlambe sikwazile ukuthola leyo 2 goals, you understand. So unfortunately azange siwathole Shane but kunelinye ibhola ngifile ngathi uMaseko bekumele nje ayenze extra touch la khona uMakhupa bekenza irun bekumele nje amana libeke lapha lathi empty net unfortunately uboy ufuna ukuthi athi uyashaya but sahluleka Shane so ngicabanga ukuthi yes Shane kunenye into engibonile ngoApolis first half ubonakala uApolis angasinikezi lento esicabanga ukuthi iwinga ingasinikeza kona but Apolis made to really to play because if ngibheke uApolis kancane bekazama ukuthi uma shift angena phakathi always besingadingi more Apolis no Aubrey because ngibone the way uApolis aeta ngakhona kule midfield he allows really to join uMakhupa ukuthi uma silose ball position angadrag deep boy because of leya energy angeke abe nayo yes akazange asinikeze leya attack uApolisi kulela winga ukuthi mhlamba ngaya wide but ngicabanga ukuthi ama instruction from coach Hugo Bros ukuthi you know what ungangeni yenza ngathi uzojoin abo really so that sikwazi ukuthi sibe right uma ngaborile azowaluza lamabhola banoMakhupa up front and good game for really the way adlala ngakhona if Apolisi the time uApolisi akhona efieldini already played but after Apolis ahamba ila khona lela side selisebenziswa ubani lisebenziswa uMremi I think he came in and he did very well naye also uMremi ila really bese shorter khona ukuthi operate kuleya number 10 so but give credit to really Shane he played well ngibonile ama chances amaningi eswatholile urile was there ngama assist and mangaba akekho assist ukhona ku secondary assist ngibone le ball escore kulo ulithethu Ocon and wenza kuhlanganipha waletha phakathi suswini la khona one touch uma ungathi uyibheka ku I think umbatha I think uMakhupa yes one touch liyahamba liyapi liya kuMremi uyadlala uyathatha uMremi lethi ibhola kuphi ku cross then lathola uMaseko and well done for Maseko kuleya goal ngiyacela ukuthi udlale kahle egcineni wena Shane
yes Bobzini I've never been outside of South Africa I've always been here I've never went kwezinye country Botswana Swaziland but from what I've seen kubantu abebekhe baphuma I think if ungaya eBotswana or Zambia or Nigeria I think you'll find most people are wearing jerseys of Arsenal, Manchester United, Real Madrid. Up until we are in North Africa, that's when you will see abantu benxiba jerseys Al Ahly or Zamalek or Esperance. But Bobzin, up in South Africa, we see ezo jerseys ezo Madrid, Manchester City, but majority of the jerseys we see is the local football. There's the teams here to Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns. You'll even see Swelele, Cape Town City. Kwesi squad behlala lapha namhlanje bobuzi 90% busy players lapha ku PSL. Uproud kangakanani bobuzini ilondo leyo?
Yeah, I'm proud Shane ngabadlali be PSL it shows ukuthi sinayo equality ku PSL. Ngaphandle ukuthi badlali bahambe baye overseas mhlawumbe so kusho kona ukuthi uma ubona abadlali abadlala ku local league bakunikeza something kusho kona ukuthi le league yethu ikhona ezingeni mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi sinabadlali engicabanga ukuthi basinikeza something ku local league so nayo nje ilo iPSL ngathini Shane siyayibonga ngendlela ngibona abadlali be locally beza ngakhona yes kuna last leg khona there and there ngiya understand that we won today but kuna last leg khona but akusho ukuthi mhlawumbe singavela sithi asinabo abadlali engicabanga ukuthi bangasinikeza something so yabona ukuthi Shane uma unalabadlali abadlala locally bakwazi ukuthi kube khona ama point abawatholayo ku World Cup it's something Shane it's something so let's also give credit nalapho kulabo abadlala locally even nalabadlala abroad abo Ocon abombokazi basebenze kakhulu Shane so njengoba bengisasho Shane kuleya team ebafana I think ucoach wayenzile amasapo akhe ngendlela right especially nokulanda ukuthi apolice amnikeze lawo 15-20 minutes second half ukuthi abone ukuthi na yini mhlawumbe angasinikeza yona waletha uMremi azo assista isapu nje engi understandanga kahle yaka Renas ukuthi uma emdlalisa kulela winga yini bekayilindele ukuthi atrack abuye azoyenzani azo assista ukhuliso maybe bekacama ukuthi uMaseko he's tired so ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe akalethe fresh legs ukuthi bazo assista but game plan yakhe Shane isebenzile because ngithe ngibona Aubrey noKhuliso I think bajump center ngabo 44 minutes 44 minutes bebangakuphuki at all bekungabadlali engicabanga bahlezi kule back four ukuthi okay today sinama winger asinikeza ama winger I chance ukuthi badlale then thina sikwazi ukuthi senze primary job and they played well lamajita because of abazange bafuna ukuzicommitta kuma attack la khona egcineni siyoba expose emuva that is why ama recovery bewaba khona Shane and ngakhohlwa umdlalo ofana nombatha I think badlale kahle banosithole kule midfield Shane everyone for me I think udlale kahle ngwana sesi was trying ukuthi adrag abuya azo assista kule midfield bafana so Shane well done to bafana ngicabanga ukuthi silindele Shane I knockout go round of 32 silindile Shane ukuthi siyoba sinobane but siyacabanga mhlawumbe lapha kubo Canada yeah I think I team esingahle sihlangane nayo so yeah Shane siyoba sikhona Shane sila I think manje siyoba sisebenzela 120 minutes so nama penalty akhona Shane noma sibona ngathi siyahluleka siya defender siya ama penalty siyawina ayikhenyithu
and we've got one of the best shot stoppers Parkla team we can even make changes if someone ukuthi okay sayazi ukuthi sinabantu abakwazi ukubamba ama penalty pha bapha squatting
bakhona Shane abavala abakwazi ukushaya ama penalty Shane isikhathi sesambile Shane ngicela ukubuza mngana before ivala ukuthi okay uTebza uyabuya ku red card nangu umbatha nangu sithole badlale kahle wenza njani mngana
masiyeke lo Bros mhlobaba
siyeke coach asiyeke
umadala masiyeke umadala
but uyabuya uma abuya uTebza vele uzoba khona like it or not uzoba khona
uzobuya I mean it's not debatable mhlobaba uyabuya
thank you
umadala into asikisa yona yas I1
yeah
akaseke kuhlanga iselfone akaseke isake iWi-Fi useke sama calculator ama calculators awayeka kwiAfcon ngoku si upgrade even ku World Cup asadinga ama calculator
mara namhlanje bewakhona musa angisho bese kuthiwa ukuthi no I win Mexico
yeah but essentially like now we are not in the situation where City okay kukudime zawudlala engase team ethini now si right mhlawumbe
but basithande Mexico ubonile Mexico beyimenathi Shane
yeah ne masivala mhlawumbe masivala bafana 1 South Korea 0 but lethu baphumile abaphuma
abasangakaphumi Shane but ama chances akhona but mancane ukuthi bangaqualify nga 3 points Shane
Masival, thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.